Привіт-привіт, my dear friends. My name is Ina and welcome to my YouTube channel Speak Ukrainian. In this video lesson, I'm going to teach you the adverbs of place in Ukrainian language. So I have already recorded video lessons about the adverbs and what is the difference between them and adjectives. And also, you can check out my video lesson 20 common Ukrainian adverbs of time. So, let's learn 20 common adverbs of place. So, поїхали. Let's get it started. Сюди. Сюди means here. Сюди. Туди means there. Туди. Сюди and туди we use when we need to indicate direction. For example, come here. Йди сюди. Йди сюди. Go there. Йди туди. Йди туди. Also, in Ukrainian language we have such adverbs as тут and там. And they are translated also as here and there. But what's the difference? So, сюди, туди, direction. Тут, там, location. So I'm here. Я тут. Я тут. You are there. Ти там. Ти там. The next adverb is скрізь. Скрізь means everywhere. Скрізь. Скрізь. Будь-де. Anywhere. Будь-де. Anywhere. Будь-де. Ніде means nowhere. Ніде. Ніде. The next one is десь. Somewhere. Десь. Десь. Зверху. Above. Зверху. Знизу. Below. Знизу. Зверху. Знизу. Okay. Вдома means at home. Вдома. Вдома. Далі, the next one is on там. Over there. On там. Over there. Ось here. You can ask me again, here? What? Why do you need 3 words here in Ukrainian language? So when somebody shows you something, like here is the menu. Ось меню. Ось меню. So when somebody gives you something and like want you to pay attention to this, like here it is, you say ось. Here is the menu. Ось меню. Okay. Далі. Далеко. Away. Далеко. Away. Далеко. Близько. Near. Close. Близько. Близько. Здалеку. From. Far from. I'm sorry. Здалеку. Far from. Здалеку. Ліворуч. Left. Leftward. Ліворуч. Праворуч, rightward. Ліворуч, праворуч. Ліворуч, праворуч. And the last one is навпростець, straight away. Навпростець, straight away. Ліворуч, праворуч, навпростець. Ось так? My dear students, if you want to learn Ukrainian language from scratch, or if you feel that you're stuck and you can't continue your path and improve your knowledge, then I invite you to check out my website speaky.com. And here at our school we offer you lessons, like private lessons, courses, textbooks, flashcards. And if you have any questions about Ukrainian language, please let me know, and me and my team will help you to have an amazing, easy way toward the beautiful Ukrainian language. Also, if you want to check out more video lessons, then you can subscribe to my Instagram account Speak Ukrainian Language. Please support my YouTube channel on patreon.com. All the links you will find in the description of this video. Дуже дякую. Побачимось скоро. See you soon and Слава Україні!